pump it up. Pump, pump, pump. Hey, everyone, if you want to go kayaking, this is the Portage 2 stop. It's the one with the red roof.
The map lies. What? More. Look at Leah's waving. There goes the only way in and out. See him in about, what, 28, 30 hours?
Yeah, probably.
Got our campsite set up. Andrew. Up some bagged food. Andrew's having the chicken fried rice. I had the chicken breast and mashed potatoes, which was surprisingly pretty good. Andrew's just finishing up airing up his kayak. Pontoons look like weird bananas. They're all jacked up. The one on this side looks so overinflated. Just about to launch the kayak. Beautiful. Andrew's throwing a little extra air in his pontoon. This is beautiful. I am so glad we did this trip. We're going to see how close we can get to some of these really big ones and maybe get close to that glacier too. Look at this. Oh, let me make sure I don't hit the iceberg. There we go. We don't need to pop a hole in this thing. That. It's just raining underneath here. Oh, that's so cool. I really wish Nicole and the girls could have come to see this. Wow. Look at that thing behind me. Just amazing. What a cool adventure. That is wild. Well, we're about halfway to Spencer Glacier. Paddling our way over. Almost there. Dude, this is spooky. Andrew's gonna touch the glacier. Oh, there it is.
That's pretty sweet.
Yep. Okay.
Obviously not one of our better decisions, but you only live once. How was it? How was it?
Amazing.
Everything you thought it would be?
Way closer than Nicole would appreciate.
Maybe you can find one of those.
Holy crap. Keep hearing calving happening, big splashes, and it sounds like a gunshot going off. We're gonna try to get over to where we think it's happening. It looks like that's where it just happened. All this fresh crap. Oh, this thing is totally collapsing. Oh, it's popping and buckling. Oh, wow. Man, when that whole thing goes, oh, here we go. Oh. my God. We're lucky to be alive right now. Andrew, I think we're good. That's the most epic thing I've ever done in my life.
My tit got nailed.
Your
Fucking piece of ice.
what did?
My tit. Like it fucking hit me hard.
Oh my God! So you guys just saw that, but this thing just it completely collapsed, and then this giant one out here rolled over. Holy cow! Look at the giant icebergs now coming this way. Oh, they're still rolling over here. Oh my God! Look at this thing rolling over. Holy cow. Amazing. Oh, here we go. Oh. So yesterday, after we survived the crazy glacier collapse, so we were soaking wet, and we got back here, and we were just freezing. So we changed into some other clothes. Luckily, Andrew had some shorts I was able to borrow, and we went over, and there's a group of Boy Scouts camping there with some chaperones, and they had a fire going, so we were able to warm up next to their fire and tell them our story, show them the video. And that was really cool to be able to share that with somebody who was here and could hear, you know, the whole thing happen, but they weren't able to see it, so it was cool to show them what it looked like up close. So last night we slept terrible. It was awful. The ground super lumpy, super hard, not very comfortable. Not my kind of camping. There's a reason why I don't tent camp. But did get a fair amount of sleep, and we got up this morning, had some breakfast. I tried the biscuits and gravy meal, and that was okay. I think Andrew had breakfast breakfast hash. He said it was pretty good. So we decided to take the kayaks out one more time here before we have to pack up and head back for the train. And this morning the water is just, it's just super calm. It does seem like there's more icebergs around, probably from yesterday's destruction. So it's kind of cool to come out here and have a calm, relaxing cruise around these things.